Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to turn off backup in Windows. The first thing you can do is to disable automatic backups. This is for Windows 11. So what you do is that you open up your settings, and then from your settings here you go to system. Now as you can see, there is no option for system for my own. Okay, there is actually system. Click on system, sorry about that, and then from system you choose backup. Let's see if I have backup here. So I do not. So if you have backup, just click on backup, and then from backup, under backup you click on backup your folders, and then click on manage backup. Uncheck the check boxes for the folders you want to stop backing up, e.g. desktop, documents and pictures, and click stop backup. The second way you can do it is to disable Windows backup services. It's an advanced method. So what you do is that you open services by searching for it in the start menu, and then you open it. Locate Windows backup, then you look for Windows backup here, and once you found it, double click on Windows backup to open its properties, and then change the setup type to disabled, and then you click stop. If the service is currently running, click on stop, then you click apply and then OK. Important note is that if you disable backups, you can have some consequences, like if you encounter data loss, you won't have backups to restore your files. Also, consider alternatives instead of disabling the backup. If you are concerned about storage space or performance, simply explore automatic backup solutions like cloud storage, OneDrive, Google Drive, or external hard drives. By following these steps, you can effectively disable automatic backup in Windows. However, it is crucial to weigh the risks and benefits before disabling backups completely. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.